All right. What's up, people? What's up, people? Today's Thursday, June 30th. Last night, on my way back to work. Listen, what you're about to notice is a New York City employee driving a little Prius. Now, he's actually standing at the light, okay? So he's standing at the light, and I was so tired. You can hear in background I was yawning, you know, and right now he's at the light, right? Waiting. He's at the light waiting, and the light's gonna turn green. The light turned green. Listen, look at this. Look at this. Listen, look. He squeezed this guy. So you're looking at the license plate right now. Okay? You're gonna be looking at the license plate. The license plate is a New York City license plate, BB 4636. Okay? So now look, he's gonna start moving. He's gonna start moving. Look in the corner. Look in the corner. He squeezed this guy against the corn. Okay? This poor guy. Look at him. Now I had to wait for him, right? He crossed back over. It's like he got confused because he was supposed to cross on the other side. But after that New York City employee almost killed him, so he got confused and he went back, all right? And watch until the end what this guy gonna do. This guy, he probably had a rough day. I can tell you that. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna take the right lane, okay? Because I'm familiar with the area. I know the lane where he's at. It's gonna be a turn left lane, right? So look. He squeezed himself. He came in between us and switched to my lane. You see? Switched to my lane. And this is the license plate. Okay, his license plate is New York City bus BB 4636. I'm gonna be calling 211 on this guy. You know, this is not acceptable. You shouldn't do that. Doesn't matter how bad was your day. All right, it doesn't matter how bad was your day, but you don't jeopardize somebody's life like this. All right. Thank you for watching, guys, and listen, I'll see you guys on the next